Welcome everybody to the TradingZone.com weekend update. Today is Sunday, September 27th. What we're looking at right here is a 30-minute chart of the Emini sp500, and just wanted to point out a couple of things. First, you can see how we've had some real nasty red engulfing candles. The sellers grabbed hold this week, as we imagined they would, and market has been incredibly overbought. And we finally saw some sell pressure come into the market this week, and you can see how the sell side was swift and aggressive, and we've given back a little bit of the recent rally. Also wanted to point out, though, still looking at the 30-minute chart, take this relative low back over here, roughly 1,002, and just draw a quick fib retracement to the approximate highs. I don't like to include the topping candles when I do these type of retracements. Those prices over there get rejected pretty quickly. In any case, just doing a quick fib retracement, you can see how we're just sitting roughly below that 618 retracement. So more of a pullback than a sell-off. It would be a stretch to say that we're out of this bull swing. Markets are definitely still overbought, but this was just a natural and healthy retracement back to approximately the 618 or 2/3 retracement level. Just to further make my point, let's have a look at our daily chart for a second. Here we go. Now we're looking at a daily chart of the Emini S&Ps, the S&P 500. As you can see, we expand our time horizons just a little bit. The sell-off certainly does not look that dramatic. We've got still a nice distance holding above our 50-day MA, 50-day moving average. We're still nicely above the 200-day moving average. We're just starting to get a little upwards pressure on that 200-day moving average. And the overall trend off the market lows is still pretty much intact, so that certainly cannot be denied. We really don't run into a trend line break until we take out those 1017, 1018 area right over roughly over here. Again, I do stress that in my opinion, this market is still overbought. And the one thing that I use to look at that and to evaluate is the ADX indicator just below, a measure of pure strength. And we can see how when the market came and tested the 1,000 level right over there, and we had this real nice burst of strength in the market. But since then, we've seen nothing but declining strength in the ADX plus and the DI plus or DI minus indicators. Both of which have been trailing off, and that in conjunction with the fact that August trading is on much lower volume. So if we go back and look at August, this was August 6th, August 7th, we hit that 1,000 level on a nice rally of 72 on the ADX indicator. So we've had greater volume and more fluidity in the market since the end of August into September trading, and yet our strength indicators continue to lag. So that tells us that the market is still somewhat overbought. I would expect another pullback, as I mentioned in last week's video, weekend update. The roughly 981 level, this prior pivot low over here, would be a nice, healthy, and natural place for the market to pull back to. Thanks for watching our video. Please be sure to stop by TheTradingZone.com for all your trading educational needs and live trading every day.